Did you know that India, the land of mysteries, is home to one of the oldest civilizations in the world, the Indus Valley Civilization? Born over 5,000 years ago, this civilization was a marvel of advanced urban planning and architecture. Their cities, meticulously planned and impressively fortified, showcased a level of sophistication unseen in other parts of the world at that time. Beyond their architectural prowess, the Indus Valley people left behind a cryptic script, a series of symbols and signs that remain undeciphered to this day. This enigmatic script, etched on seals and pottery, adds another layer of intrigue to this ancient civilization, a puzzle waiting to be solved. This civilization, buried in time, set the foundation for the rich history and mythology that would shape the Indian subcontinent. Their legacy, although hidden beneath layers of history and time, continues to influence and inspire, a testament to the enduring power of India's past. Moving forward in time, India's mythology, deeply rooted in its ancient texts, reveals a universe of gods, goddesses, and epic battles. The Ramayana, an epic of love, duty, and sacrifice, tells the tale of Prince Rama, his devoted wife Sita, and the loyal monkey god Hanuman. On the other hand, we have the Mahabharata, a veritable epic of epics, a complex narrative of kinship, power, and the catastrophic war between the Pandavas and the Kauravas. Among this pantheon of divine beings, we find gods like Shiva, the destroyer, Vishnu, the preserver, and goddesses such as Durga, the invincible, and Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity. But there's more. The Bhagavad Gita, nestled within the Mahabharata, stands out as a profound philosophical dialogue between Prince Arjuna and his charioteer, the god Krishna. Its influence is deeply etched in India's moral and philosophical consciousness. These age-old tales are not just stories, but lessons of life, morality, and duty that are still valued and taught in India. India's history is not just about the known, but also the unknown. Consider the ancient Sushruta Samhita, an early medical text that astonishingly details surgical procedures and instruments that would not be seen in Western medicine until centuries later. How was such advanced knowledge acquired so long ago? The mystery deepens with the Jantar Mantar, a collection of astronomical instruments so precise they can still accurately measure time, predict eclipses, and track stars. What minds conceived these structures with an understanding of the cosmos that seems beyond their era? And then there's the architectural masterpiece, the Kailasa Temple, intricately carved from a single piece of rock. Who were the artisans that chiseled this monolith into existence, and what unknown techniques did they employ? These enigmas, shrouded in the mists of time, invite us to question, to learn, to discover. These mysteries, waiting to be unraveled, beckon us to delve deeper into India's history and mythology, encouraging us to explore the unexplored. Indeed, the tales of India's past are like a grand, complex tapestry, weaving together the threads of science, art, philosophy, and spirituality. As we delve deeper into its intricacies, we unearth the wisdom of the ancients, a wisdom that still resonates today. The Upanishads, sacred texts older than most civilizations, teach us about reality, consciousness, and the divine. They tell us that the key to understanding the universe lies within our own selves. This concept, revolutionary even now, was conceived millennia ago. The Bhagavad Gita, a 700-verse epic, is a conversation between Prince Arjuna and Krishna, his charioteer. It is a guide on how to live a righteous life, fulfill one's duties, and achieve spiritual enlightenment. From the ancient Vedas to the Mahabharata, these texts not only narrate tales, but also impart wisdom and lessons that guide us even today. So, let's continue this journey, exploring the past to illuminate the present and future. Open your minds, your hearts, and let's dive deeper into the stories untold, the mysteries unveiled, and the wisdom unearthed.